My name's Stephanie, and today I wanted to bring you along with me as I organize my son's toys. So like I said, I'm organizing my son's toys. I just pulled my hair right up today, threw something on that I felt comfortable in, and I'm gonna go through my son's toys. The first step to cleaning out your kids' toys is, first of all, and this part's gonna be the same for everybody, you really just need to pull all the toys from everywhere, every single toy you have in the house, and you need to combine it all in one spot because it's so much easier to go through things. If you have them in bins already, then pull the bins completely out to wherever it is that you're gonna organize them. And this is key. You need to have all the toys in one spot. So you need a time where your kids are not gonna be playing with them. Maybe it's quiet time or not. So let's get started on getting all the toys in one spot. I have my son's toys from his bedroom because he's napping right now. I already got those out earlier. And then I also have toys in this bin. I'm gonna pull them out, I'm gonna vacuum, and I'm going to kind of wipe down the inside a little bit, and we will move on to the next thing. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take and first of all, separate the toys that you know your child either has outgrown or that you know you're going to get rid of, you know they don't play with. And those are the two things because you know you're going to get rid of those things. You know that you're not going to need them in 6 months from now. So that's the next step that you're going to take. Now that you have those separated, the next step to organizing your kids' toys is to take it a step further. You have all the ones out that you know you're not gonna put back into the house. Now you need to take the whole set of toys and you need to separate it into two sections. Toys that he's interested in right now and toys that he's not interested in right now. Those are gonna tell you what toys to pack away and what toys to keep out. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so now I have my toys right here that I am not going to keep in the house. I'm gonna pack them up and they're gonna go out to the garage. Then I have a whole set of toys that I am going to keep out. We're gonna take a bin and we're gonna put everything in that needs to be taken out to your garage or your storage shed, whatever it is that you're gonna do. That stuff's gonna go out there. Now we're going to take and we're going to start separating the toys into bins. This ottoman is going to have the toys he plays with most often because the toys that are normally under his bed, I try to have those be things that maybe are bigger toys that can fit under his bed that are not out here. And then those toys he can pull out through the day, whatever he needs to do. But I want this bin to be mostly just toys he pulls out on a day-to-day basis. So I'm gonna be putting all his cars in here, except for his big dump truck there. And then I will probably even put his Lego bags in there as well. We'll see, we'll go ahead and get started. You're gonna have to take this one kind of on your own because this part is just dependent on the age of your child. So let's get started. Okay, so I have it all done. Both sides are separated. I have the toys that I'm packing away all separated and they're in their bin. I have all the toys put into their bins that he's keeping, and I'm gonna show you what I've got. I have this right here. He's got his blocks, he's got his trucks and cars, he has a school bus, he has a police car that he absolutely loves, and then he's got his dress up thing. This bin is easy. They just put everything back in. It doesn't have to be perfect. He's got bags for these, so that makes it easier for him to put away. He has bins for the cars so they can stay contained when he puts them away. It's something simple. When you have kids, you need something simple to organize with. Okay, so there's the bin with all of the educational stuff in it. There's the bin with all the Play-Doh and the other things. And then those two things fit nicely right under here. And then I put his little radiator springs racetrack thing there. And then his little hockey stick is there. So that's all I have on organizing kids' toys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please hit that red subscribe button down below. I would love to have you as part of our YouTube family. Also, if you would like, please comment down below and tell me some ideas that you have for organizing kids' toys. I can always learn from other people. I love to watch videos on how to organize toys and things like that. I also love to read books on how to organize things. Please send comments and send all kinds of things about organizing. So I can't wait to hear from you. I hope that you have a blessed day, and I will see you next time. Bye.